Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm doing a under the sink kitchen clean out, which is so needed. I got a new little shelving unit which you'll see in the video, and I've been waiting for like a week and a half for this to arrive just so I could do this video and sort it out. It has been driving me insane having kitchen products everywhere. So yeah, stay tuned to see how I battle it. So to start with, I'm just literally sorting through all of the different cleaning products I have. I'm just sorting into the piles like laundry, actual cleaning, dishwasher, tools, cloths and sponges and things like that. And please excuse me really disgustingly chewing, I'm eating Skittles. There's not really a nice way to eat Skittles, I don't think. So here I have all the different piles of stuff ready to go away. So this is the kit under the sink before. Obviously I've taken everything out, but you can imagine it wasn't very set up nicely, so stuff was just literally thrown in. So I got these shelf thingies. I first saw Emily Norris actually use them on her channel. So I had a little look on Amazon and I picked these up for £9. They took about a week and a half to come because they weren't prime delivery, but I don't mind waiting that. You can get them on Argos for, I think they're £19 and you can get same day delivery, but for the sake of waiting a week and a half, I'd rather pay £9. So yeah, this are the shelves, and you can literally put them in around your pipes and things, and then once they're in you put the little slats in so they literally fit perfectly. And then I had one of these previously in there, but I'm going to use it for my laundry cupboard. I've got 3 different cleaning cupboards. I'm a bit obsessed, and a cleaning drawer for Sephora, but I forgot to film that. So I'm literally just going to put all of the bits away where I can fit them. I'm running quite low on laundry products at the minute. I've been going through the Lenore Unstoppables like they are going out of fashion. So now, once the laundry products are out of the way, I've put the dishwasher products in the other cupboard as well. I'm now just going to put away the different bits and bobs. So I'm now separating the bits into stuff that I use on a daily basis, stuff that's backup products, stuff that only gets used sort of once a week, and stuff that barely gets used. So that's like the oven cleaner and things like that are sort of once a month. And then also all of my wipes I put into a basket, and then I had a little storage for all of my extra cloths and my little Spontex sponges. This did take quite a bit of trial and error fitting all the different baskets in. I would suggest if you're doing this to put the baskets in empty first so you can get a clear layout of where you want each basket. I didn't do this, so I ended up putting them in, taking them out, putting them in again, and it was a nightmare. Well, you can see here I'm actually just arranging everything again. So yeah, at the top here I've put all of the pink stuff and my little cleaning brush, my little Stuart. And then down here, this is my daily cleaning basket. So it's in a little basket with a handle at the front, so I could just pull it out and take it with me wherever I want to go. I live in a bungalow, so I literally just keep all of my cleaning products in here, apart from bathroom ones. This is my spare cloths and sponges. This is the basket I have for all of like my soda crystals and bicarb of soda. So I do use it pretty much daily, but I want a separate basket. And then this is sort of weekly products. And then these are my spare wipes. I have my own little bed for Dave the Duster. I have a little basket up top for my wax melts and candles, which it's not a very easy to reach space, so I thought they fit perfectly up there. And then I put all of my backup products and stuff I don't use a lot in the cupboard with the dishwasher tablets, but I actually lost the footage. And then this is my little over the hanging drawer, over the cupboard drawer, and this is for things like my sponges I use daily. So this is the final end result. This is the laundry cupboard. This is my little Sephora drawer, which I'm very proud of. And below is the dishwasher stuff and stuff that isn't really used a lot and backups. And then in here we have the main cupboard, which is also actually missing a wipes basket. But yes, I've got this little basket I can pull out every day, and that is it. That is the end product. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.